Next, we will be discussing the Voicemail tab. Begin by clicking on the Voicemail tab. To access your new messages, click on the Inbox tab. Saved messages are accessed using the Save tab. Voice messages are arranged in tables and are navigated in the same manner as the directories tables. Voicemail messages stored in the Inbox or Save tabs can be played to your phone portal. To do so, navigate to the message you wish to hear, then click the Play to Phone icon. Your phone should then go off hook and start playing the message. Callers can also be added to your personal directory from this tab. Locate the message from the appropriate caller and click on the Options icon. Then select the radio button to identify which type of phone the caller used and click Add to Personal Directory. Then add any additional information for the personal contact and click Save. Voicemail messages can also be forwarded. Find the message you wish to forward and click the Forward icon. You will then build the recipient list by adding one or more voicemail distribution groups or individual extensions, or a combination of both. To add distribution groups, click Add Distribution Group. Select the checkboxes for each distribution group you wish to include and click Save. To add extensions, click Add Extension, navigate the corporate directory, and check the select boxes for each extension you wish to include. Then click Save and click Forward. Next, we'll take an in-depth look at distribution groups. Distribution groups are used when you want to send messages to a group of users. There are two types of distribution groups: personal distribution groups, which are managed by the end user and are available only to that user. A user may have a maximum of 20 personal distribution groups. The groups use codes 80 through 99. Corporate distribution groups are managed by the system administrator and can be used by anyone within the company. Next, we'll create a personal distribution group. Click Add. Your first option is to change the name of the distribution group, which allows you to create a custom name for the group. Enter the new name and click Save. You can then begin adding members to the distribution group. Start by clicking Add Members. You will then be presented with all the members of the corporate directory. Select the checkbox for each member you wish to add. Once all the members are selected, click Save. Distribution groups can also be modified. To do so, click the Edit icon for the personal distribution group you wish to modify and proceed with modifying. You can edit or remove members with this function. To remove a distribution group entirely, select the checkbox for the group you wish to delete and click Delete. The next tab within the voicemail section is the Password tab. This allows you to change your current voicemail password. To do so, enter your current password, then enter your new password, and click Save. The final tab in the voicemail section is for voicemail options. The first option is for email forwarding. This allows you to configure your voicemail box to automatically send a copy of every voicemail message to an email account. This feature requires the download and installation of the VML player in order to play the message on your PC. The link to download can be accessed from our support page, which will be displayed at the conclusion of this presentation. To use this feature, check the Enable Email Forwarding checkbox and enter the email address to where the message should be delivered. You can only send email messages to one email address. Next, you can customize your zero out option for your voicemail box by entering the operator extension or other custom number or extension. You would then need to ensure that your personalized voicemail greeting mentions to the caller that they can press 0 to reach an operator. The next options allow you to select the order and priority of the message playback. You would select the appropriate checkbox to enable each of the features. Once done with your changes, you can click Submit.